Trying to flood, this is not good. Okay, so I'm in my car and I got all my stuff right here, and we're about to leave and go live in it. See how long we can make it. We're gonna go all the way down to Florida in it, and you know, it should be a good time. It should be fun. I'm quite unsure about this. I mean, who knows? It's gonna be probably really different, but let's see how it goes, you know what I mean? You know, let's see if you can do it. It's quite hot in here, so you gotta figure out a way to cool this place down, and let's go. Okay, so this is my first stop on my journey. It's a cool little place with like a bridge trail, wooden thing. It's pretty cool, I like it. Driving was pretty good, and I'm just gonna like rest here a little bit, or I might just start going all the way to Chicago. Who knows? Okay, so it's first night sleeping in the car. I'm at a 24-hour Walmart, and it's heavy thundering and heavy rain. So I think I'm good. Peace out. Fox River. Holy penis. There's a cop. Fox River, there she is. OMG. Fox River. Okay, there's Fox River. Prison Break Season 1. Oh my god. There's the entrance. There's still cops here. It's an abandoned prison, but look at that, Fox River. Okay, I'm out. Welcome to Kentucky. Okay, so I just made it to a Planet Fitness right there. I'm gonna go shower and then hop over to the Walmart that's right over there and sleep. I'm in Tennessee now, which is really cool. Or Kentucky. I'm in Kentucky right now, which is really cool. And quick update, 2 hours back, I was having a lot of car trouble. The car clunked out, and that was really bad. That was so bad. But now it's so weird, because now it's all back to normal. It's all working well. And you were at this one cool lake park. You were the only one there. It was super cool. You laid on the beach a little bit. It was awesome. And now you're here, and you're on your way to Nashville. So that's awesome. This is like my second or third day, second full day of doing the car camping type of thing. It's a lot of fun. I've just been going in Walmarts, and now I got Planet Fitness, so now I can do showers. So it's really good. Okay, so I'm here in Nashville, and I'm broken down. Probably the worst place to break down ever, because it's so crowded and so hard to maneuver around. So you're so ready on the tow truck, and they're gonna tow you to this auto repair shop. My car is at the Firestone right now, and I'm waiting for them to close. They close at 6, which is in a few minutes. Okay, so I am just now leaving McDonald's. I believe I spent enough time away from the shop to officially have all the workers be gone, and now I can go sleep. Okay, so I made it in the car. It's time to go to bed. I made it to Alabama. Yes. I just drove for 180 miles straight. And the geography is finally starting to look more tropical. Also, I did not get charged for the problem with the car. I didn't get charged, which was beautiful. Okay, so after probably 5 to 6 days now, 6 days, I am finally made to the beach. I am at the coast of Alabama. Florida is a few minutes that way. Okay, what's up? Up in a big Jungle Gym post. So as I hope you can see, I just got drenched by a random flash of downpour. There's a hurricane heading here to the Gulf side of Alabama. Wow, I just got drenched. Woo! All that rain. It's rain everywhere. Okay, time to get out of here. We're heading to Walmart. We got a Coke.
I don't have the right answer, just the right
got
question.
A fan blowing on me. Got a charge to my phone.
Because he's a sociopath like you.
I'm watching Burn Notice.
Wrong.
Yo, people, we got a problem. So, the streets are starting to flood. And I'm living in a car here. What do I do? Look at that. You can see the flow of water over the street. And it's only getting worse. I'm getting notified by my weather apps, flash flood in your area. Now the river's starting to flood. This is not good. It's not, I don't even think it's a class 1 yet. It's just a lot of rain. I'm concerned about the flooding because then I can't drive. There's my home. It's so comfy right there, man. Got the pillow against the wall. So we're heading to the beach right now. There's supposed to be like 16-foot waves. This is massive waves. I don't know if the camera can do it justice. These waves are pretty big. I'm to the coast right now. That's the beach right over there. I just reached Florida. Yeah, just crossed the border. I'll talk to you soon if I'm alive. All right. I literally just found the coolest place ever in existence. This is dope. I'm staying here. Look at this sand. That is insane. This is my awesome hole I dug. It's a tunnel. Woo. This phone's a little sandy. Let's go. Yippee-ki-yay. I'm literally the only one here. Wow, do I look red. Holy cow. It is painful. I'm gonna get an umbrella, probably 3, to block the sun, because it hurts so much. So I'm testing out the umbrella, and I think it works with blocking the sun. Oh yeah, that definitely does something. area is so sick. Everybody's running, biking, there's golf carts. Sandy shores. I gotta pull over and check this all out. Finally found a spot to stay. I drank a Coke, jammed out to some music, that was nice. It's laying in the back, and now the beach is 3 minutes this way, so I'm gonna go take a dip in the water, it's gonna be dope. Okay, so I made it to the beach. Went through an illegal no beach access point. That was pretty sketchy, but I made it. It's so hot. Let's make this quick. Made it to the beach. This is Panama City right now. My home is parked 13-minute walk that way at the Walmart. Then we got the mall, all the cool stores right behind us, and there's a ton of cool restaurants. It's pretty much all gone. What happened last night? Is it all in my sheets? Oh God. Tomorrow also marks 2 weeks living out of the car. I might sleep on the beach tonight. That's a good idea. It's a double rainbow right now. Okay, so my feet are killing me once again from wearing flip-flops too much. It looks so stupid. But I'm just walking like this. Anything to not irritate those red spots. Just a few more feet. Home stretch, baby. Hello from sunny Florida. This area kind of looks like up north, not gonna lie. So I just pulled over. This is not exactly the spot I want to be, but it's kind of good. Oh, you don't get this on the side of the highway in Wisconsin. This is really cool. Bye bye, Devil's Den. Bye bye. Bye bye. So a beetle attacked me. I was just sleeping there and I felt something crawl on me, and it was a stag beetle. Black beetle with little vegs. Oh, it was so disgusting. So I ripped everything apart trying to find this thing, and no luck. But I learned there's a billion crevices this thing can go into. So right here, so where I swatted the thing off and it went this way, or it went that way. I don't know. If it went that way, which would be pretty smart, it could be under there, anywhere. Ugh. I'm gonna look under here now. I can't find it at all. Where is this thing? So it took an hour and 7 minutes to fully flesh everything out and be back in bed. I took everything out. Peace out. I'm gonna try to sleep. So I did not know this was going to be an hour-long walk from where the car is. Thought it was going to be like 30 minutes tops. I can't wait to get back. Start to eat Cheez-Its and drink water, sit in the shade, charge my phone, watch some YouTube, possibly drink another Coke. Oh, I can't wait. You're on Sanibel. The lighthouse wasn't anything magical. Captiva is just that way. You made it to Captiva, bro. Yeah. Okay, so this area right here, this view legit reminds me of Far Cry 3. Oh, it's so cool. Wow. Just driving along. Ooh, I like it. Car's coming. Oh yeah, it'd be cool. There's the what you call it, lighthouse. Yeah. This is the end of the Snow Nature Trail. It's really, really cool. Catamaran right there, that's awesome. It's just anchored. That's sweet. Coldness and a half. Time to play some Guns of Boom. Look at that. Water all right there. Oh, this rooster was so obnoxious. There's like 5 of them all over. Woken up by roosters. shady. Yeah, a little bit shady. Oh, oh my God. That's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Wow. Wow. Thank you.